Hell yeah.
Yo, cuz by Reggie. Hopefully y'all can see me everything clear. Back with another video, right? First off, I want to thank everybody who either you subscribed or you're not subscribed, but thank you to everybody who comes to the videos, comments on the videos, positive or negative. I know some people don't like me, and some people, have some interesting things to say. It's all good though. But if you're here, thank you for coming. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe if you want to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe, comment, like, share. Dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? Today we are here with a review of one of the newest trimmers on the market. The newest trimmer from Stylecraft, which is the Rebel. Which the Rebel is their, I guess, counterpart to their Clipper. I know I got a Rebel in here somewhere. Nope, it's at home because I was changing the blade. Anyway, it's the counterpart to their Rebel Clipper. Now, if you've been following me for a while, y'all know for a little bit, the Rebel was my go-to Clipper. This is the new Rebel from Stylecraft. This is on pre-order at the moment. And I don't care for pre-order. I know some, I said in another video that I don't care for pre-order, and people was like, well, they gotta do pre-order so they can do. I understand from a business point why do pre-order. It makes sense because you know how many you got and how many you need and who wants it and who, if it's some hype to it. I get that. Me as a consumer, I don't really care for it too much. But either way, this is on pre-order right now on the Stylecraft website for $139.95, right? Of course, you can save some money using my discount code, Cuts by Reggie. I'll put it on the screen here. But anything that you want to buy from Stylecraft/Gamma, use Cuts by Reggie, discount code. But this is the Rebel. I did an unboxing of this a few weeks ago, and it's on pre-order. So I think the release date from the time I'm recording this, if it changes before I post this video, I'll put it up. But it will be shipping out like mid-June, late June. All right. So here we go. I already did an unboxing, but we can go through what's in it. Of course, it got the X Pro wide blade with the shallow. It's got the shallow tooth on it though. 7,500 RPM, 3 hours of run time, the 360 exposed blade, and then you get your brush, cleaning brush, and all that stuff. 90 minutes to charge to get that full recharge. And as far as accessories, it comes with your Stylecraft accessories. You get the different, it comes with the blue face on there, which is cool. And then you got the other two colors. Then of course, get your charging cable. You got your different accessories, whether if you want to change the color, your blade setter. It comes with this charging stand. Here's the charging cable. And then of course, if the USB, I have been using this just to see how it looks, all that good stuff. But I kind of already had a cord that I can set to put to the back of it. So I just been using that to charge it. So that's that. Those are the accessories. The accessory wise, not that we need more or need less, but Stylecraft accessories are the accessories. All right. So that's what you get for $139.95 unless you use my discount code. And here's the build of the machine. It's a very tiny trimmer. You got the Rebel. See it say Rebel right there. Power button here. That is the sound. It is dying at the moment, so I have been putting it to use. I swapped it out for the gold blade. This is the blade it comes with it, which is the X Pro blade, but it's that chrome. The chrome blade, I didn't like it. It seemed like it dragged. It didn't get a smooth cut, especially out the box, not good at all. I mean, it was decent going against the grain and bulk, removing bulk, whether you're doing a ball fade or under the neck. It was good for that. But as far as like getting them crisp lines, out the box was not good for it. Once you set it, it did a little bit better, but it's almost like you had to put too much pressure on it to get it to really cut. So it wasn't smooth. Going across the C, doing the C cups or any curves did not care for this blade at all, and that's with the shallow tooth blade. I did not try with the deep, the one blade, the deep cutter, but maybe I should. But I switched it to the gold, which gives it a smoother cut. Still not a fan of that shallow tooth blade. It's like the hair don't feed through it enough, like especially when you're going through like thick, coarse, curly hair. Sometimes it's like sometimes it gives clean lines and then sometimes it didn't. But anyway, that's the build. Charging port here for the charging stand there. And there we go. Again, does come with the charging stand. Overall, this is a decent trimmer. It does have decent power, and as far as RPMs, it is the same as some of the other trimmers. But to me, it just didn't it didn't feel like it was giving that same oomph, that same push as some of the other trimmers that Stylecraft has. So yeah, I mean, once you put the gold blade on it, it's a little bit better, give you some crisp lines. I do like the ergonomics of it though, the way it's built when you got this little, it's not a deep curve, but you got that, you know, but anyway, anyway. My overall thoughts of the Rebel trimmer. Is it worth your money? Not when you can get an Instinct or a Flex or, and I was just calling this the Instinct, that's the Flex. But when you can get those other trimmers and other, that gives a better, cause so this is $149, this is $139. My personal opinion, it works better with the gold blade. The gold blade, you're gonna end up spending $25, $30. $149 comes with the gold blade, smoother cut, got that one blade, the one blade to it. I just think it's a better overall trimmer. The Rebel is cool. I don't think you should pick it over any of the I don't think you should pick it over the Flex. If you're in the market to get a new trimmer, just buy the Flex from Stylecraft. You know what I'm saying? If you're looking at their website, they got a few different trimmers. Just buy the Flex. That's my personal opinion. Because that blade on there, that chrome blade just didn't do it for me. There's a lot of dragging going on. But you know, you might buy it and you might like it. You might think it's the best thing on the market. Of course, there's gonna be other people that you see using it in a video and it might work perfect for them, and that's fine. But in my opinion, I think it's kind of a waste of money to get the Rebel trimmer. Just get the Flex or get the Instinct, because you're gonna end up, I think you're gonna end up getting the blade, the gold blade anyway. So I say grab that, or the black blade is even better than the chrome. That's my personal opinion. So is it worth it? Not really. Not when you got other choices. So, but if you do choose to buy the Rebel or anything else from Stylecraft, make sure you use my discount code CUTS by Reggie. Help me help you save some money. All right. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share. Dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, and we will be back. When? I don't know. Soon. Peace.